Hi guys, I'm Priya. Welcome to Priya Soft Tech. In this video, we will discuss about digital profile, Elevate Wings 1 assessment, how to apply, and eligibility criteria. My colleagues faced many issues because lack of knowledge in Wings assessment, how to apply. So I wanted to make you clear about this. Digital profile, it is internal hiring from TCS. For this, you have to write Elevate Wings 1 assessment. The complete Wings program is also called T-shaped learning path, TSLP. In this way, TCS is giving promotion from Ninja to digital profile. For this assessment, there is an eligibility criteria. Keep concentration here, each and every point is important. Eligibility criteria is 0 to 3 years experience in TCS Ninja profile or Y grade or C1Y or C1. Y grade means assistant system engineer. C1Y or C1 means system engineer. Other associates are not eligible to take up this assessment. Let's see the process. In TCS we have learning portal. There you need to learn and take up assessments. All TCSs know about iVolve. It is a learning portal. In iVolve you have courses IDs. I am 15205 for IT domain people, 15206 for ITIS domain people. In this, you have different tracks and groups. Total, you have 5 groups and 21 tracks. There are 5 groups means group 1, group 2, group 3, 4 and 5. Group 1 is technology, group 2 is articulation, group 3 is process, group 4 is unit elective, group 5 is business skills. In technology, it contains 7 tracks. In articulation, it contains 6 tracks. In process, it contains 2 tracks. In unit elective, it contains 1 track. It is based on projects or you are currently working technology. In business skills, it contains 5 tracks. There are 2 processes to eligible. First one, learn and write assessment. Second one, self-declare and write assessment. Let's see about learn and write assessment. Here you have to go through each and every course videos and you have to write assessments before deadline. There are 2 tracks to get eligibility to write final assessment to the digital profile. First one is one TSLP Tech distinction you have to get. Other one is one DCA Tech Track distinction. What is one TSLP Tech distinction? It means you have to complete one TSLP Tech pass or distinction or one core non-tech track distinction. It means non-tech track means process, articulation, biz skills comes under non-tech track. Or one unit elective, it must be distinction, or one DCA tech, it must be you have to get distinction. These are the options of one TSLP tech distinction. And next track is one DCA tech distinction. It contains again 3 options. One TSLP tech pass or distinction, one core non-tech track distinction. It means process articulation base skills comes under non-tech track, and one unit elective. And second one is self-declare and write assessment. It is also called direct path. It means if an associate is proficient enough in the required skills, they can directly take up a prerequisite assessment which will be tagged as a part of their course curriculum, and upon clearance associate would be directly eligible for the final procured assessment. It means there is no need to watch all those videos. It is the direct method. Self declaration process. Blog has been posted in IT or ITIS Nomi community with the details of the course IDs for learning completion and competency IDs for self-declaring for TSLP tracks. After this, you have to register. Before step 1 is you have to self-declare and second one is you have to register. It means you have to apply for Wings 1 assessment. And let's see how to register for Wings 1 assessment. Open Nomic community, which is in Ultimatics, and search for the Elevate Wings 1. The last day to fill the registration is 7th August 2022 5 pm IST. Before applying, you should be clear about these important points. August 2022 is an in-person assessment. It means physical proctoring at your debut location. They will capture your assessment location preference which you mentioned in the survey list. But getting your preferred location would depends on seat availability. Second one, TCS ID card will be mandatory for you to enter the TCS premises to take your assessment. If you do not have a TCS ID card, please get in touch with your HR and get the same issued before your next assessments. If you do not carry the TCS ID card with you on the day of the assessment, you would not allowed to sit for the assessment despite your registration. Second one, the next step is associate with TCS laptops will be mandatorily required to take up the assessment for their laptops in the TCS premises. It is recommended that you to sort out any laptop issues with the IS team before your assessment. Next step, please register your assessment track and location preference only if you are planned to take up the assessment. Else, please do not register as it might end up with an HR action. Please note that you would be allowed to take up any two core full stack tracks TSLP, any one bit skill track, and any one programming track as per the business rules required for achieving the milestones. Next one is please select any one track out of T7 and T9. You cannot appear for both T7 and T9, else would not eligible for both T7 and T9. Next one is please check your previous cycle result. Do not register for the tracks you have already scored a distinction. It means it is a 3 cycle exam. It will appear as yearly, it takes 3 times May, August, and November. If you already written in the May cycle exam, you should not enter the same course ID which you scored a distinction. And hurry up, the last day to fill the registration form is 7th August 2022 5 pm IST. Let's see the Wings 1 IT or ITIS August 2022 registration survey. You have to fill the form and submit it. First question is in the form is, do you have TCS ID card? If you're, then option is yes. If no, you have to select no option. Second question is, please select the first core full stack track. There you find some of the options, you have to select any one. And third question is, please select the second core full stack. This track should be different from the selection made above. It means second and third questions are same, which is asking core full stack track which contains same options. Like for example, it contains options like Core Tech T1, building modern web apps at scale, Core Tech T2, working with modern data repositories, and Core Tech T3, mission first and intelligent business automation. If you selected second question option as Core Tech T1 business and building modern web apps at scale, then you could not select the same option in the third question building modern web apps. You have to select another option. You can select working with modern data, and you can select mission first and intelligent business automation, like that. And fourth option is Codec T3. And next fourth question is please select which skill track. There you have to select any one. So their options are business track, 1, business track 2. Then fifth question is please select any other non-tech track. It means here the options are articulation and process. There you can select any one or two. Next one. Sixth one is please select any one core programming track. It means it contains the options are Win 10 admin, Linux admin, SAP, Oracle, PLSQL, Java, Python. Likewise, you can it is the options contains of programming tracks. You can select any one as you like. ITS people also can choose the Java and Python and core track. It means you're working in the Java or Python. You can choose that Linux admin like that. You can choose anyone, but you have to score distinctions. Please select the track for which you wish to take innovator coding assessment. Please note that the prerequisites to take up this challenge should be met. It means your belongs to digital profile and you need to upgrade innovator, then select track, for else for digital profile no need to fill. It means you have to select one option if you are belong to digital profile already. There is it is no need for ninja profiles. It is for digital to innovator. Next one is please select your preferred location. As we already discussed, if you can select your location, but it can be depends on seat availability. The options are TCS locations in India. It means Kochi, Pune, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Indore, Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bhubaneswar, Trivandrum, Varanasi, Nagpur, Lucknow, Jamshedpur, Bhopal, Noida and Gurgaon. And click on submit. All the best, guys. I hope that I cleared your confusion regarding the digital profile and assessments. Still, if you have any doubts, then write your queries in the comment section. Thanks for watching.